It's been a little over an hour and the adhesive is finally ready for the tile. As you can tell, it's not transferring to my finger. Okay, let's put tile number 1 in. And hope I can do this right the first time. It goes underneath the molding of the door a little bit. And I think that's about it. Now the only thing is I'm using the wall for a guideline here. And I guess that's it. I don't know if I'll be able to move it after I stick it down. That's the problem. Probably not. Okay, let me put a spacer here. Just put them down gently. Hopefully I can move them a bit. This is looks like it's going pretty good. I should get a little closer there. Get down fairly quickly, so if I need to make a slight adjustment, I can. Okay, got the first row in. Okay, start the second row here. And get that in there, right? Right. Looks like it's right on my line. Okay, here goes number 10. Good. Yeah, pretty close to my center line. Okay, they all look pretty lined up here. You can't slide it. At least it's not recommended that you slide it onto the adhesive. It doesn't move much anyway at this point. And before grouting, they recommend or they suggest you do a 100-pound roller. In smaller environments, that's not practical. So I'm going to press down here by hand first, then use a rolling pin, as suggested by Diane, my wife. I wonder if that's a hint. I'm just gauging the little separators here, spacers, to make sure everything seems to be good. A little bit of rolling pin.
Good for your
That's
abs.
It's not really working. I think if I put 100 pounds down on it, I would break the roller. But it's better than nothing. We can make some bread too while we're at it. Is that what you use a rolling pin for?
To roll out the dough when you're making a pie crust.
Oh.
Or if you're making, you know, what do you call those things?
I think the glue's getting to our brain here.
Yeah, it's the fumes are kind of strong. That's the only downfall to this goop that you put on the floor.
Okay.
You.
Okay.
It's worse than a fart.
You can cut. Okay, now I'm going to apply the adhesive to the second half, a little bit more than half of this room. And here we go. A little bit more practiced at this, I think. Seems best to be very conservative with the glue. It goes a long ways as I'm learning as I go. I know it takes an hour for it to dry, so I'm not as concerned about going fast. Okay, I'm going to see if the adhesive is ready for the tile. Been a little over an hour. Yeah, pretty much. A little bit on my finger. Okay, the second section's ready to glue down. Tile 11 through 25. Oh, but I have to change this so it goes ready to accommodate a second tile. There we go. The spacers are for spacing. There we go. Looks good. Number 12 goes up here. Okay, might have to adjust this process a little bit. There we go. There we go. And then 13 is the little guy. Put it aside for now, because eyeball it. Go. Oh. There we go.
Nice.
11, 12, and 13. Let's keep going. Here goes the final tile, number 25. This one, it's a little tight. There we go. Alrighty. Need to have a little spacer here. Make sure I got the right distance. And I do. Alright. Just need to press it down and then do some grout.